How to limit who can see your stories on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to control who can see your stories on the Facebook application quickly and easily. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook application on your mobile device. Then after launch the application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and scroll down and then select settings and privacy and then go to settings. Scroll down until you find the option labeled as stories. You'll find this option in the audience and visibility section just below the post option. Tap on it. And after you do that, you will see the sharing options where you can control where your story is shared. Or you can also choose the story privacy, indicating that who can see your story. Simply tap on it. And there you can see that it has been set to friends for my Facebook account. If you set it to public, anyone can see your stories. And if you go for custom settings, you can hide stories from specific people. And once you've made your choice, just go back and your settings will be updated to reflect your preferences. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.